Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back again to one more art class. Let's start making our activity, that is pencil shading, geometrical shapes. Okay, to draw a sleeping line, okay, from 0 till 7 centimeter. Okay, and then you have to just come towards the first corner, draw from here 0 till 3 centimeter. The same way you have to draw 0 till 3 centimeter. Yes, now we have made from 0 till 3 centimeter this line. Now leaving this shape here, okay, we have to make a cylindrical shape from 0 till 4 centimeter long, and leaving between this gap, okay, it should be around 1.5 centimeter. Okay, you have to just make a dot here so that you just make one more corresponding to make a cylindrical shape, this. Okay, now what you have to do next is you have to just make it a round shape. Okay, because cylindrical shape is like this, somehow like this way. Okay, the same thing you have to come towards the bottom and just make it a round shape. Okay, this is done, and make sure the corner should not be pointed. Corner should not be pointed. After this you have to from 0 till 3. Okay, but make sure you have to draw this line little slanting. This is straight, this is little slanting, it's not fully straight. Okay, now from here you have to draw a line here. Okay, making a triangle. Okay, it should be like this way. The line you have to draw it here and then here. So, rectangle here, you have to make a shape of a rectangular box. The line should be straight like this. Move it down. Okay, and then you have to move to the horizontal line to make a rectangular box like this and like this. Okay, now this is done. You have to make a straight line here like this. Just erase this other side. Okay, this should be a straight line like this. Now after this we have to have one more box on it. Okay, so we are going to start from the same line, leaving little gap here. Okay, you have to move up like this. You have to move here, same like this way. Okay, you have to move down. Now after this, see, I have done this one rectangular, second, and this cylindrical shape. Now I have to continue from the bottom part. From the bottom also I have to make one box. Okay, from 0 till 2 centimeter here. Okay, and then I'll continue with the same thing, 0 till 2.5. here also 0 till 2.5. I have to make a box. I'll close it. Okay, the same way I'll go ahead here, 0 till 2.5. here also from 0 till 2.5. 0 till 2.5. Okay, now I have to close this, 0 till here I have to close, and then I'll continue it down. Now see, I have done this. Now with this box I have to make one more cylindrical shape. Okay, I will take again 0 till 3 centimeter here. Okay, leaving a little bit gap. Again I have to make 0 till 3 centimeter. Okay, now I have to make the base of it, make a curved base, and then here also you have to give the shape of a cylindrical line here, and where I have to draw from, I'll start from here, from 0 till 1.5. Okay, now I'll just draw from 0 till 1.5, 0 till 1.5. Okay, I'll continue here in the upway here, 1.5, 1.5. I'll continue. Okay, now from here I'll continue 0 till 1.5. okay, I'll just join this one. Okay, then you have to join this. Okay, and then you have to join here 1.5 like this. Okay, the top will be somehow like this. After completing this, you have to take any shape. Okay, you can take the shape of this medicine also. Medicine, in the medicine we have a small cup. You can take it a round shape. Okay, just keep it here, okay, around it, and then draw a circle like this. You have to draw a circle. Okay, see, the circle is also there ready with this sleeping line. Okay, just move, just leave the circle and then complete it. Okay, then again leaving a little bit gap. Okay, from here the line which is the one, this is the slanting one, you have to draw one more line, 1 and 2. With this we finish with the shapes of our geometrical, okay, drawing. Now I'll tell you how you have to shade. For the shading, what you will do, you have to take your pencil. Okay, few areas you have to shade them dark, few areas you have to shade them light. Suppose I'll just start from this box. Okay, you have to be very careful. You have to use the pencil like this way for the shading, and for the shading you have to do this box darker. Okay, the box which is facing the front size. Okay, I'll just do it in front of you so that it will be easy for you. And while doing the shading, as you already know that you don't have to change the direction. Okay, just shade in one direction, don't go ahead and change the direction. Now this is dark. With this you have to just use your finger, just make it a little darker like this, just smudge it. See, it's done. Now going to this side, the other one, this, it should be light shading. So if you want, you can just move this shading and then spread it here like this. It will be light shading here. Just darken the outline like this. Okay, now the same thing I'll continue here for the circle. I'll just take my pencil, I'll just shade this circle with my pencil. Okay, make sure you should not go out. If you are going outside with beyond outside the circle, don't worry, you will just erase it with your eraser. Okay, now see, I have done it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just take my fingertip. Okay, use my fingertip and just I'm going to smudge this full circle. See, whole like this it should be, and here also we will just erase it like this. Okay, now I'll just outline the circle to give a finish to my look to my circle. The same way I have to continue and complete my whole drawing. After doing this shading, okay, you have to shade this here, darker shade. For the cylindrical, half side should be dark and light. Here also dark. The face which is in front, it should be darker, this is light, and on the top it should be white. Here white, this is dark, this is light, this is dark, this is light. Okay, like this you have to complete this whole picture. Okay, this is the image of final image of geometrical shape pencil shading. Hope you like it and you will finish it on time and submit on time. Thank you students, have a nice day.